Welcome to another tutorial on IBM RPGLE programming. Today, we're diving into the SUBST with Opcode extender ENP operation, which handles substring operations with error handling or padding in case of an error. Let's break down the code snippet provided. Variables t, x, length, string 1, and target are initialized with initial values. SUBST operation is used to substring string 1 into target starting at position t, fourth character for a length of 3 characters. The resulting target is displayed as st1xxxxx. Next, SUBST is used to attempt to substring string 1 into target starting at position x, 22nd character. Since 22 is beyond the length of target, an error occurs and is handled by displaying an error message that is, error. Finally, SUBST is used to pad target with spaces if the starting position exceeds its length. Here, string 1 is substringed into target starting at position t, that is, fourth character. The result is displayed as st1. In summary, SUBST with Opcode extender ENP in IBM I allows for effective error handling or padding when performing substring operations. It's a powerful tool for ensuring your substring operations are robust and handle edge cases gracefully. Thank you for watching our video tutorial on SUBST Opcode by Programmers.io. Stay tuned for more IBM RPGLE tutorials, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for future updates. Happy coding!